What's up, divas? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing another wig review. This time I have Samile, okay, from Vella Vella. And Samile is in BU 2433. That's the color that you're going to see. So let's go ahead and get started with that. But before I get started, I do want to say, if you are new to my channel, then you don't know who I am. I am Simply Carrie, and I do wig reviews from time to time. Definitely hit the subscribe button, and let's go ahead and get into this, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and open this up. All right. So a lot of the colors that I saw, I really was not into. I was looking for something more on a blonde, more of a blonde, but I didn't want anything that looked too bright. So maybe something between a 27 and a 33 would have been nice, but I didn't see that. I saw a number of other colors. So I ended up with this one, and I'm hoping that I like this, because sometimes the reds I'm not too, sometimes I like it, sometimes I don't, okay? But now this is a lace front. Let's get rid of all that stuff on the inside, and I'm gonna cut the stock card off. Okay, I will leave everything in the description box having to do with this, all right? Okay, so it is a lace front. It's pretty soft. That's a good thing. I do not like a hard lace front. The part is not that wide. That might not be that bad. We'll see. It's got 3 combs on the inside. Okay, two up here, the one in the back, and it also has the elastic on the side for adjusting. All right. Okay, so very nice. Let me go ahead and I'm gonna take this off. Let's see how this looks. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put this wig on. Put Samile on. Transform into Samile. All right. It's pretty snug. Now I do like that it is a little narrow up here. I will put a little bit of foundation on the center of it. But I am liking this, actually. The color is really not as bad as I was, you know, when it came out of the box, I was thinking, oh my God, this color, I don't know if I'm gonna like it. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I am going to cut this lace front. I just wanted to put it on just to kind of give it a just look and see what it looked like. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace front. I don't wanna cut it too far, because if it does slide back, then you're gonna see my own hair. So I wanna make sure that I cut it, but just enough, okay, but not too much. So let me do that. All right, so I have cut the lace off. Now there is still a little bit of lace that's in there that I might cut off just a little bit more. And what I might even do is take a little tiny bitty pieces and cut just a little bit, so I can, you know, create my own so-called baby hairs, even though I'm not really that big into baby hairs, like whatever. But I do like this. I like this a lot. I like the fullness of it. I like the body, the fact that it's wavy the way it is. It's really pretty. I do like it. I like the color also. Another thing that I'm feeling is that it's sometimes wigs, they can press down a lot in the front, which is very, you know, kind of rubs. The lace is soft and it goes on really, it's not that bad. It feels pretty decent. It's snug, but it does not feel like it's rubbing or anything. So it doesn't feel like it'll take my hair out. And I don't need glue. This is a glueless channel. You will not find a wig with glue here, okay? If I can't take it out the box and put it on my head and go, with very minimal effort to no effort, I don't want that wig, because it defeats the purpose of even having a wig. So with that being said, I love it. I love it. The color is gorgeous. Let me turn around so that you can see this. Okay, let me go in this direction. Okay, this is really nice. I do like it. Okay, so Vella Vella came through. I must admit, All right, guys, so hopefully you enjoyed this. If you'd like to see more wigs, if there are other things that maybe you would like to see me try on, leave that in the description box. Otherwise, if you liked my content, give me a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed yet, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my other wig reviews coming up or any of my other beauty related videos. All right, so I will see you guys in the next video. In the meantime, I'm gonna go someplace and show off my new do. Bye.